I'm Molly Rector, and I'm in the Data Direct Networks, or DDN booth at ISC in Germany. From Frankfurt this week, we are showing 3 new products at DDN. DDN is the leading storage provider to the top 100 largest supercomputers in the world, but not just for supercomputing. We also sell our technologies to data-intensive enterprises around the globe. So 3 things we're going to talk about at the show. First is the ES7K, which I'm standing next to. I'll give you a little bit of a demo about what we were talking about. Very exciting. We announced this yesterday at ISC, and it's a new way of storing data for small to medium-sized supercomputing and HPC institutes. So it's taking the technology that DDN provides to the top 100 largest supercomputers and making a department-level supercomputing solution, or a department-level solution that you can put into maybe not the supercomputer, but other areas of the university or other areas of the enterprise to get high performance, but in a smaller footprint and at a lower price. So what it is, you start out as an ES7K, it's just one 4U box. This is the base 4U ES7K. It has everything in it. The latest version of Lustre, all the DDN optimizations that we do for Lustre to make it high performance for both small and big files, integrated solid-state disks if you desire, and storage capacity. So the smallest unit, you can just buy one of these and get all that technology built into one, but as you need to grow over time, these are capacity nodes, which are JBODs effectively that add capacity. And then if you need more performance, you can also add in the metadata nodes. The base 4U ES7K has metadata embedded, but if you want to get more performance, you add metadata nodes, more capacity, you add capacity nodes. Can scale up to multiple petabytes if you want to, but starting as small as 100 terabytes and can grow as your needs grow. So that's everything about the ES7K in summary. It is available to start shipping from DDN this quarter, so we're taking orders now if you want to get one for yourself. The second thing that we're talking about at the show is our new Wolf Creek platform. The Wolf Creek hardware is a new innovation that enables supercomputing, high-performance data institutes to be able to get a lot more capacity and a lot more power in a tiny, tiny footprint. So the Wolf Creek platform will be an all-solid-state storage array. It will be a memory acceleration appliance, or it will be the next generation of DDN's SFA series, the SFA 14K. What's very cool about it is it can go up to 6 million IOPS in just 4U of capacity. It can get 60 gigabytes of throughput in that same 4U box. So great mixed I/O on both the IOPS and throughput in that single system. And is taking advantage of embedding applications on a local PCIe network, leveraging NVMe drives within the system to get low latency embedded applications with the highest performance on the market. So it takes advantage of all the latest new technologies that are coming out in the supercomputing space from our partners at Intel, Mellanox, as well as DDN designed hardware equipment. So really neat new platform that you can get a lot more work done in a much smaller footprint. And then the last big item we're talking about at the show, the third item, is the imminent release of our Infinite Memory Engine, or IME software technology that we've been talking about, showing as a testbed infrastructure for 2 years now in the supercomputing industry. And it's the industry's first open application-aware I/O accelerator. That's kind of a mouthful. What it does effectively is it breaks that performance bottleneck where you have to over-provision your compute to take advantage of bursts and workloads through the day, and over-provision your storage to be able to accept all that data during those bursty workloads. So what IME does is it transparently inserts itself in the workload between the compute and the storage, transparent to the applications, and essentially just levels out that performance so you can get 100% or as close to as possible of the performance of your compute environment as well as your hardware environment, so you no longer have to over-provision, spending 30-40% of your budget on over-provisioned hardware just to get the performance you need through the day. So game-changing in the supercomputing industry is an industry first that will be shipping this quarter. Very excited to finally be bringing it to market after talking about it for a few years. And that's the 3 big things from DDN at the show. We're, of course, showing the rest of our technology, our cloud offerings, our block and file storage solutions, but those were our big 3 announcements this week.